Hey guys, Peter and Karen Hutton here. We're just at the top of the Fortitude Valley and top of New Farm. Did you know how great the bike tracks are around here and these city cycle bikes? They're everywhere. It's such a great place to live. Let us show you around. We'll go for a bit of a ride.
We've just ridden past the Howard Smith Wharf project, which is going to be completed at the end of this year, 2018. It's a really cool project because it's bringing together conference spaces, event spaces, there's going to be restaurants and all sorts of stuff. A hotel, there's a microbrewery as well, which is just going to be fabulous for Brisbane.